everyone, this is Sin from RS Sewing Machine. Today we are showing you Mauser Special MH2645-170242-34. This machine having double stitch length, double foot stroke and thread trimming 15 mm remaining. Bobbin is 32 mm. The screen here is touch screen. So this is for thread trimming. The function here are basic for any computerized machine. So we go for the test. This is a thin fabric. So if you wanted to activate the back tacking, you can activate by touch here. The first two, this is the end back tack. Of course, we have swing guide also. For this machine, once you use the lifter here, the knee lifter, so you can activate the second foot stroke and the second thread tension here. Normally this one is for thick material, so we try it on leather. This is for leather. If I wanted to change the stitch length to second stitch length, I just click this. So you can see 6 mm, here is 9 mm. Let's say if you have joining in between, then you can use the knee lifter or you can press this button. Once you press, the two functions will be activated together. This one is normally to sew thick material, something like this. You want the machine to go up, but of course here you have to adjust to 9 maximum foot stroke. When we activate the foot stroke, the speed will automatically reduce. No thread breakage or whatsoever at the high speed. Thank you for viewing.